AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about Australian dollar against US dollar. Before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video. Press the bell notification right here. And below the video you'll find some links. It says join free Telegram channel, so you can connect with my Telegram if you want some free signals every now and then. And then check out the brokers and the prop firm, sign up with them. I want you to sign up with these brokers separately and trade with my signals in that account. Don't mix anything. My signals in a brand new account, because I will ask you how many trades did you win or lose in the coming future. Okay, so do all of that. Telegram and broker, sign up and subscribe, like, it's all for you. Now coming back to what are we doing here? Top down approach. We are doing the analysis. Okay, so let's start with the weekly time frame. I'm in a good mood right now. So in weekly, we are having a push towards the downside, and I'm recording the video on Wednesday when the US market is about to close in next 2.5 hours on 11th of June. Okay, so on 11th of June, the market will be closing in a couple of hours. That's when I'm recording the video. On weekly chart, we are pushing down. Okay, so we have a long wick, but we are still up, trend still up. Okay, so we will look for longs only. In daily, we are above the EMA. Clearly, we are in the uptrend here in AUDUSD. Okay, so right now we are taking a pullback. So what has been happening previously? Okay, so previously you see this red candle has eaten the blue candle. Then we had three red candles all together in like 3 days, 4 days. Okay. And then what happened here? Here you can see this blue candle. I mean, this red candle did not eat the previous blue candle. Okay. And again, this red candle did not eat this blue candles. But today, I think this red candle is going to eat this blue candle, in 2 hours, I guess. Okay. So I think by the end of the today, this red candle will eat this previous blue candle, which means I think we might go down tomorrow as well. But let's see what are the options in 4 hour here. So in 4 hour, this is your EMA, which is the key here. So this is the previous low. Where's my line? It's right here. Is it there? There you go. Okay. So you can draw your line or just take a look at this low. If this low is broken, if any coming red candles closes below this low, then look for shorts after the pullback. But what I am assuming or expecting is that we will have a reversal or pullback from this EMA. Okay. So as per me, I think we will touch down this EMA. So next red candle in 4 hour will touch this EMA rejection, and then we will have a blue candle after that, which will eat that red candle, and then we will go long. Okay. So keep an eye. You have to be ready for two options: buy and sell. Obviously, there's no third option: buy or long or short. Okay. So the trend is up. I'm expecting that the candle will come until the EMA, and then the rejection will happen, and then we will have the blue candle, and that's how you will enter long. Okay. But if this low is broken in 4 hour, then you can wait for the pullback and red candle and then go short. But I think that will not happen. Look for longs once the rejection has come from the EMA and then the blue candle. That's all I have for you in AUDUSD. Same analysis you can use for NZDUSD. I don't make separate videos for NZDUSD. So if you like what you see, subscribe, share, join Telegram, subscribe to the brokers, and hit the like button, channel, all of that. You know how it works. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.